Barnstar, I hope you're here. I hope you're listening. I know we've been making a lot of jokes about it, but in all seriousness, in all genuine sincerity, Barnstar, thank you so much for sending me this set. I'm not actually memeing, I'm not joking now. This will be the last time I thank you for sending me this set, but it's an incredibly generous, kind, thoughtful birthday present. It was the last thing I expected, and it means so much to me that a dude from Twitch who happened upon my stream one fateful evening has found such a place within our community and formed such a friendship with me that you felt the need, you felt compelled to send me something like this. It means a lot to me. I really appreciate it so much. It's gorgeous, I love it, and it would be a prized possession on my shelf next to the other modulars. And every time I look at it, I'm gonna think it wouldn't have been possible if I hadn't have ever taken a chance on Twitch and met all of you wonderful people. So thank you very much, Barnstar. In all seriousness, I love you too. I know you love all of us, and now we will leave you alone. We will go away. So let's put this off to the side as much as I can. I'll move these other books out of the way, and we'll put it there. Whoop. Sorry, lady. I'll put those there next to it. I don't know, this can just go off screen for now. Okay. Yeah. Good. Barnstar, you are a champ. Hawkmonk is right. But we should leave you alone now. We should stop with the whole meme. Because it's done. The set is done. It took 7 hours, but we did it. It's done. Okay, we won't really leave you alone, but we'll stop. You're off the hook now. My birthday is officially finished as well. Barnstar said that until I finish this set, until I finally finish this set, my birthday continues. It's finally finished, which means my birthday is finally over. So, with that, I'm going to take a short break. I'm going to try and work out what we're going to build next, because we've got some more hours to go yet, and we should be able to build at least a small set to make the best of this time. So I've finally aged. I'm finally 27. Finally 27. I'm gonna go pick another set of plastic bricks designed for children to build. And when I get back, I'll do a Rubik's Cube as well for you, Ewoky. I'll leave that there so I don't forget. You thought I was younger than that, Corn? What the hell? I did technically give myself a birthday gift the other day. Yeah, this is true. This is true. Yeah. So I'll be back after I've
Doing okay, TSG? You knew it was coming.
Yes. I'm doing great. Thank you, Vix, for another 100 bits. I'll admit, I didn't know it was coming. I lorp you to Darth Norkdell. That's amazing. Dork Noodle, you should actually change your name to Darth Norkdell at least on the Discord, if not on Twitch. So yeah, I'll go figure out what set we're gonna build next. Dinner will probably be here shortly as well, so there'll be another BLB after that. I apologize, but we will get through another set today, I hope. I'll be back soon. Take care and stay square if you go anywhere, but otherwise stay right here. I don't even know what I'm saying. It's fine. I'll be back.